Good morning.
Good morning.
What is it?
It's Christmas.
That's right. I love you.
Me too. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Look at the Christmas tree. Look at all these presents. Now hang on a minute. Look at what Santa brought. Good morning, Lily. Good morning. Did Santa Claus come?
Yeah.
Let's go see. Oh, well, come here, Maylene. I just wanted to put the Yule tub.
It's gone.
It is.
Even the sweet and sour sauce.
The game? There's crumbs on the napkin? Oh, look what a good Santy. He drank his milk.
I must have fallen asleep.
What's up, Lily? What do you think?
Lily, come over here. Lily, look at all those presents. Lily, don't start opening them.
Hey,
Ooh.
chill out. It's okay.
All right, Lily and Maylene, look at me. Look at me.
Cheese.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Lily, say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Lily, guess what? This is for you.